How do? Well, I got my Gettysburg hat on, but I'm not in Gettysburg. Just gonna do a quick and short nature walk. Got a partially frozen fork of the river still. Well, snowed over anyhow. It's not quite frozen, as you can see. So I'm on I can't remember which side of the fork of the Patapsco, right after Ellicott City. And I was just driving by, and I saw the white on the river, and I was like, wow. That's too bad. On this side there's no path. Ugh. It's not part of a nature trail or a park. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous. Finally out of the deep freeze. I think we're low to mid 40s right now. This is just great. Makes me wish I should have hit the I should have hit some river and creek spots when it was really good and frozen. Let's see how hard this is. That's pretty thick. That's at least an inch thick. I mean, I wouldn't walk on it, but beautiful though. Missed this. I haven't done much naturing, many riverbanks or anything in a while, or any good hikes for that matter. Just love that sound. As you can see, there's lots of old construction debris. This is an old area in an old town. Sorry, I'm moving slow, but again, there's no path. Isn't that great? I should go the other way. Just beautiful. The snow is finally starting to melt. Gorgeous. Rats. A lot of sticker bushes down here. They might not be green, but they're still sticky. I got my new jacket on. Huh? Beautiful. Makes me want to go for a swim. I forgot how awful the WhitePro is with the snowy conditions. Straight ahead is the old trestle, and up yonder you can see the last flour mill in Ellicott City. Flour mill is the thing that put this place on the map. Well, one of the things. I've done some videos around town here, and now that big flour mill that's there now was not the first, was not the Ellicott Brothers' flour mill. That came before, and then they put the current flour mill, well, it's closed, but the one that's standing up there right slap on the same site as the old Ellicott mills. Again, considered by some to be the birthplace of the second great industrial revolution. Very historic place here on the East Coast. Ugh. Wish there was a trail down here. I can't go much farther, so. They're slowly getting to work up there, by the way, and the rumors were true. Hey, guess what, guys? You might not believe this, but it's going to be more high-density housing and some retail shops. Just glad they didn't have to burn anybody out this time. But then again, we've had a couple bizarre and historic floods in recent years, and that kind of cleared out some of the bottom of Main Street. So, you know, who knows. But I'll wrap up here. Just gorgeous. That's just a shame about, you know, I know there's a need for housing, but it's a very historic site. It's bad enough there's a current mill there, a modern mill. You know, I don't know what they should do with it, but anyways, just thought you'd enjoy some nice scenery. Get out and enjoy this stuff while you can, guys. I mean, today it's not even that cold, you know. I'm in the low to mid 40s, so it's certainly warm enough to get out and enjoy this before it melts. Later.